Good morning, students, and welcome back. So, in the previous class, we discussed impact. We have completed the third chapter, that is human reproduction. Fine. So, today we will begin the fifth chapter, that is principles of inheritance and variation. Okay. So, that is chapter 5, that is principles of inheritance and variation. So, this is chapter 5, that is principles of inheritance and variation. And it is seventh unit. Okay, that is this chapter is discussed under unit 7, that is about the genetics and evolution. Genetics and evolution. Fine. So, as we know that for second PU we have 5 units, and for the first year we have, once again we had 5 units, and second year also we have 5 units, and first year 1 to 5 we have learned, that is 1 to 5 units for first year, and for second year we have 6 to 10th unit, isn't it? For second year 5 units from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 to 10 units. So 6th unit, that is about the reproduction, which we have already discussed in recent days, isn't it? First chapter, second chapter, and third chapter we have discussed. Fourth one is there are 4 chapters in 6th unit, that is in reproduction. So first 3 chapter, first chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3 we have discussed, and chapter 4, that is regarding reproductive health, that we will discuss in the later on. Okay, later on. And today we will discuss the 7th unit, that is genetics and evolution. Fine. So in this 7th unit, the chapter 5th chapter, that is principles of inheritance and variation. Okay, principles of inheritance and variation. And before starting the lesson, have you ever wondered how this elephant, you see, elephant, it give birth to, normally what we see or what we observe is that elephant, it give birth to elephant and not any other animals. And a mango plant, it give birth to a mango tree only, a mango plant. It give rise to a mango, once again mango plant or tree only, and not any other plant like banana, tamarind, isn't it? Then and one may wonder how the elephant give birth to a elephant, and then a mango tree give rise to a mango tree only, not any other. This one, how it is possible, isn't it? And even you see, let us the question be there only. We will try to answer. Okay, and even what happens? You see, the parents, they give birth to offspring. You see, the parents give birth to younger ones or offsprings or progeny, and these offsprings, they may be identical to their parents, and these offsprings, they may be different from their parents, and one may wonder how these offspring is identical to their parent, and how these offsprings are different from the parents. These questions come naturally, isn't it? So, to answer all these questions, okay, to answer all these questions, we deal or we study the genetics. Getting my point? What we are discussing is that we observe or we see that an elephant give rise to an elephant only, and a mango tree give rise to a mango tree only, and not any other plant. And we see this, the parents give birth to their younger ones or offspring, and these offspring will be identical or similar to their parents, and these offsprings may be different to that of their parents. How this happens, how it takes place, and what are the reasons or what are the reasons behind these things to take place, isn't it? All these questions will arise naturally, and to answer all these queries or all these questions, we deal, okay, we study the genetics. Okay, so genetics is a branch of biology which deals with, okay, the inheritance and variations of characters, okay, from parents to that of the offsprings. Okay, so genetics is a branch of biology which deals with the inheritance. You see here, the parents, that these offsprings are identical to their parents. That means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪಾಲಕರ ತರ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. They are similar to their parents. That is because of inheritance of characters from the parents to the offspring. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಗುಣಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳು ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್. That is known as a inheritance. Okay, and likewise the offsprings are different from that of parents. That is because of variation. So genetics is branch of, so we will study to answer all these questions genetics. And what is genetics? Genetics is a branch of biology which deals with the inheritance and variation. So genetics is a branch of biology which deals with the inheritance and variation of characters. You see here, characters are inherited in the form of identical one, similarity, and there is variation in the form of difference. So genetics is branch of biology which deals with the inheritance and variations of characters from parents to offsprings. So that is a branch of biology, that is genetics. Okay, so genetics and evolution, that is a 7th unit. In that 5th chapter, that is principles of inheritance and variation. Inheritance is a transfer of characters. Transfer of characters. Inheritance. What is this inheritance? Inheritance is a transfer of characters from parents to that of offspring. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಇಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಗುಣಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ parents to the offsprings. Parents to offspring. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಗುಣಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳು ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆಯಾಗುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ವೈಸ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್. ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. Okay, variation is nothing but the degree by which progeny is different from that of the parent. So this variation is nothing but degree by which this offspring is different from that of the parent. Okay, degree means the amount, okay, by which the offspring is different from that of the parent. That is known as a variation. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಿಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಭಿನ್ನವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ once again I repeat, this inheritance is a transfer of the characters from parents to offsprings, and variation is the degree of the degree by which by how much that these offsprings are different from that of the parents. Okay, variation is the degree by which progeny differs from that of the parent. So variation is the degree or amount or quantity by which offspring is different or differ from that of the parents. ಸೊ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳಿಗಿಂತ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಭಿನ್ನವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಜೆನೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ and meaning of this inheritance and variation. So we conclude here and we continue tomorrow. Okay, thank you.